Okay. Welcome back. Hey, friends, this is Martha with Martha's Creative Life and Sean from The Guy Who Sews.
Hey,
Guess what? We're on day 15. Yay! Do you have yours too, Sean?
I do.
Yay. Okay. All right. It's my turn, isn't it? Okay. We have a question for you tonight. How about if we go ahead and ask the question now, and that way it gives you a chance to think about it.
Okay, so today's question is in regards to decorating. We were curious to know whether you enjoy like a traditional color scheme, like the red and green that's you've seen for years and years and years, or are you more modern with the blues and silvers or the gold and red and that sort of thing? There, let us know what your decor for the holiday decorations is.
Okay. I'll tell you what mine is in a minute. Today is a good day for a good day. I think that's a song. I can't remember who it's from. It's a good day to have a good day. I think it's a rapper. Oh my. Wow.
I think I've seen that before.
Have you?
Think so.
All right. No selvage name. If that doesn't scream fall, which is my favorite season, I don't know what does. So it's flowers. You can tell that it's flowers, but it's very kind of abstract. So super pretty.
If memory serves me correctly, and I am not a fabric expert whatsoever, I recognize tulle as from Monday just because it's
Right.
pretty to do so. But it almost, I think there was a line that came out sometime recently that was like a Renaissance or like the masters like the Monets and that sort of thing there. And I think that was one of those.
Cool.
But
I
I
really
could be,
like that.
yeah, I think it's like a reproduction of like, yeah, Monet or one of those famous painters that did all those flowers and that sort of thing there. But I could be totally wrong there. So if I am, please correct me. But
My shirt.
it does seem familiar. So, all right. So let's see what I have for today under day 15. And it seems like green is the theme of the week for the boutiques. But I like this one a lot. It is got a lot of different leaves. It almost reminds me of like the leaves you would have seen in Jurassic Park, like the ferns and
Uh-huh.
all that sort of stuff there. So this I like a lot. It's not a color this dark army green is not one I normally would gravitate towards, but I think how they've done the purple and the blue and that sort of thing there is just absolutely stunning. So I'm going to have a lot of fun finding a project for this one.
I really like that. Just all the different flowers that are in it. It's just pretty in the leaves. Like I really like the long ones. The
Yeah,
well, then
the
the one that's right by your right hand.
yeah,
All the colors. That one's pretty, and then the other one almost looks like it would be under the ocean or in the
yeah,
ocean on the
yeah,
seaboard.
yeah. So that's
Beautiful.
yeah, well, thank you. And that's what we have for day 15. So I mean, I think we did well again on day 15. Cotton cut the streetness very, very nicely. So I'm looking forward to seeing what's in the last, yeah, we've got 9 more days. I mean, we're rocking right along.
Craziness. I can't believe it. So back to the question that we had for you, Sean. What's your what do you and Amanda have as your theme?
I think it's more traditional because we have a lot of stuff from um family members, like Amanda's grandparents and that sort of thing there. So I
Mhm.
think the red and green, like we have the nutcrackers and the Santas and the sleighs and that sort of thing there, and it tends to be more the red and green. So I think that's the answer. If I'm wrong, I'm sure I'll correct it at some point when I realize I goofed up. But I'm pretty sure on that answer.
That's good. Well, mine, I know a lot of people like do themes every year, and then sometimes people have multiple trees and they do different like theme trees. Like if they really love Disney, they'll have a Disney tree. Or if their child is in college, they'll have a tree decorated just for the college or whatever, or if they have a favorite team. But mine just kind of continues to be the same every year. We just kind of have a mix of colors, because not only do we have like the balls that are, different colors, but more of the ornaments, because we like to do an ornament exchange every single year. So like for my daughter, we get her an ornament every year. And so hopefully the day that when she is ready to have her own Christmas tree in her own place, she's not going to have a bare Christmas tree. She'll already have ornaments that are all her own. So it's kind of like a mismatch of ornaments, just whatever speaks to us that year.
Yep, and that sounds great. Amanda's mum did the same sort of thing for her. Collected different ornaments, all from the Hallmark family, for many years. So when we moved out and got married, we weren't starting from scratch either, and that's really neat. And Amanda's done that on her channel. She shows a different ornament each day, so that's really neat to watch if you haven't seen that.
I think, yes, I did get to see that. I thought that was really cool because I would have never thought to share ornaments, but it's a good idea. All right. So I hope you all have a wonderful night. It was good to chit chat with you tonight and show the fabrics. If you have any comments or questions, please let us know down in the comments below and we'll get back with you on it. I'll say to you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.